Welcome to the official video overview for the initial public offer of BMW Ventures Limited. Incorporated in 1994, BMW Ventures Limited is a diversified enterprise engaged in the distribution of steel products and tractor engines, as well as the manufacturing of PVC pipes, roll-formed sheets, and structural fabrications. The company operates across 29 of the 38 districts in Bihar, serving 1,299 dealers as on March 31, 2025, as the exclusive distributor for its primary supplier. Disclaimer: this video is directed at and is intended for distribution to and use by residents of India only. You are viewing this video on the basis that you have confirmed your representation, agreement, and acknowledgement to the book running lead manager, BRLM, and the company that 1. You are the intended recipient of this video, and 2. You are located in India. If you are not permitted to view this video or are in any doubt as to whether you are permitted to view this video, please exit this video. Investors are advised not to rely on any other document, content, or information provided in respect to the public issue on the internet, online websites, social media platforms, microblogging platforms by finfluencers. Investors are advised to rely only on the information contained in the offer document and price band advertisement for making investment decision. Investors are advised to refer to the Red Herring Prospectus (RHP) dated September 18, 2025, available on the websites mentioned below. Details of the issue to the public. The IPO consists of a fresh issue of 2 crore 34 lakh equity shares of face value of rupees 10 each. Bid issue period. The issue opens on September 24, 2025 and closes on September 26, 2025. Price band information: rupees 94 to rupees 99 per equity share of face value of rupees 10 each. The floor price is 9.40 times the face value and the cap price is 9.90 times the face value. Bids can be made for a minimum of 151 equity shares and in multiples of 151 equity shares thereafter. BMW Ventures Limited is a Patna-based public limited company with a strong legacy in distribution and manufacturing, established in 1994. Over the years, the company has built a diversified business model across 4 verticals: steel product distribution, tractor engine distribution, manufacturing, and fabrication. 1. Distributorship, steel products. Since 1996, the company has been distributing a wide range of long and flat steel products such as TMT bars, GC sheets, HR and CR sheets, wire rods, GP sheets, galvanized color-coated sheets, pipes, hollow sections, screws, and doors. This segment forms the backbone of the company's operations, supported by an exclusive distributorship arrangement with its primary supplier. As on March 31, 2025, the company catered to 1,299 dealers across 29 of the 38 districts in Bihar. 2. Distributorship, tractor engine. Engaged in the distribution of tractor engines and spare parts in Bihar since 2007. 3. Manufacturing, PVC and roll forming. Began PVC pipe production in August 2018 under the BMW Polytube brand. Roll forming operations started in January 2022, producing GP Blue Diamond color sheets. 4. Fabrication, PEB and steel girder. Entered the fabrication segment with PEBs in November 2022. RDSO approved steel girder production commenced in July 2023. The company continues to expand its reach and offerings, supporting Bihar's infrastructure and industrial growth through consistent quality and a wide product portfolio. The table set forth below shows the revenue generated from the goods and services offered by our company during fiscal 2025, fiscal 2024, and fiscal 2023. Board of Directors. As on the date of this Red Herring Prospectus, our board has 8 directors comprising of 1 Managing Director, 2 whole-time directors, out of which 1 is woman director, 1 non-executive director, and 4 independent directors. Risk factors. Investors should note the following important risks. 1. We are dependent on certain suppliers for whom we are either distributors or have entered into formal agreements with for procurement and sale of our steel and tractor products. Any disruption of supply from such entities may affect our business operations. 2. We derived 98.49%, 98.29%, and 98.22% of our revenue from operations from Bihar for fiscal 2025, fiscal 2024, and fiscal 2023, respectively. Further, all of our manufacturing and fabrication facilities and stockyards are located in Bihar. Any adverse developments, social or political developments, and natural disasters affecting our operations in these regions could have an adverse impact on our revenue and results of operations. 3. We derive a substantial portion of our revenue from the distribution of long and flat steel products, and loss of sales due to reduction in demand for such products would have a material adverse effect on our business, financial condition, results of operations, and cash flows. 4. Underutilization of our fabrication and manufacturing capacities may have an adverse effect on our business, future prospects, and future financial performance. 5. We have had negative cash flows in the past and it is possible that we may experience negative cash flows in the future. Capital structure. The issued, subscribed, and paid up share capital of the company is 6 crore 33 lakh 15,000 fully paid up equity shares of face value of rupees 10 each. Shareholding pattern. The shareholding pattern of our company is as mentioned below. Object of the issue. The issue comprises of a fresh issue by our company. Our company proposes to utilize the net proceeds towards funding the following objects. 1. Repayment/prepayment, in full or in part, of certain outstanding borrowings availed by our company. And 2. General corporate purposes. Our promoters. The promoters of our company are individual promoters: Nitin Kishorpuria, Rachna Kishorpuria, Vijay Kumar Kishorpuria, Sabita Devi Kishorpuria. Corporate promoters: BMW, Fin Invest Private Limited, Riddhisiddhi, Fincon Private Limited. Shareholding of the promoter and promoter group. Before the issue, the promoters held 97.52% of the company, which will reduce to 71.20% post-issue. The promoter group's holding will go from 2.48% to 1.81%, bringing the total promoter and promoter group holding to 73.02% after the issue. Financial highlights. For fiscal 2025, the company had an equity share capital of rupees 6,331.50 lakhs and a net worth of rupees 20,965.08 lakhs. Revenue from operations stood at rupees 2,06,203.52 lakhs, while EBITDA was rupees 8,739.30 lakhs, reflecting an EBITDA margin of 4.24%. The company reported a profit for the year of 3,282.33 lakhs, with a PAT margin of 1.59%. Basic and diluted earnings per share were rupees 5.18 each, and the net asset value per equity share of rupees 10 was rupees 33.19. Total borrowings stood at rupees 42,838.55 lakhs, comprising rupees 3,119.20 lakhs of long-term borrowings and rupees 39,719.35 lakhs of short-term borrowings. Summary of outstanding litigations, claims and regulatory action is stated below. Issue structure. The equity shares will be listed on NSE and BSE. The issue is being made through the book building process, in with Regulation 6(1) of the SEBI ICDR regulations, with allotment of not more than 1% to QIB, not less than 24% to NII, and not less than 75% to the retail portion. Disclosure of price information of latest issues handled during last 3 years by Sarathi Capital Advisors Private Limited. Sarathi Capital Advisors Private Limited is the book-running lead manager to the issue. Disclosure of price information of latest issues handled during last 3 years are as mentioned below. Disclaimer: neither the company nor the promoters are seeking an investment from you based on this video. This is a video for information purposes only and is not a promotional video and does not constitute an invitation or offer to acquire, purchase, or subscribe to the equity shares of the company. Potential investors should rely only on the disclosures made in the red herring prospectus, the price band advertisement, and any addendums corrigendum thereto for making an investment decision on the issue.